Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making the sweetest Nigerian puff puff. So here I have my bowl and I'm going to be using some flour, salt, sugar, this vanilla flavor, nutmeg and some yeast. So I'm going to be using this baking powder cup to measure my flour, and this cup takes 100 grams. So I'm going to be using times 3 of this cup, which will give us 300 grams of flour. And then I'm going to be using 2 pinch of salt into my flour. Salt gives this wonderful taste and flavor to your dough. And after that, I'll be using my vanilla flavor. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. For nutmeg, I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg is a very lovely flavor and it's just the best for Nigerian puff puff recipe. And I'm going to be using 100 grams of sugar. You can do well to reduce the quantity of your sugar, but I like my puff puff sweet. And then I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of yeast into my flour, and after this I am going to mix this thoroughly. Thereafter, I'm going to be using this lukewarm water to mix my dough, and I have washed my hands because I'm going to be using my hands to mix this, and I have about 2 cups of lukewarm water here. So I'm just going to be adding my water bit by bit until I have like a consistency that I want. So for consistency, I like my batter not too watery, a little thick, so that I'll have this firm when I'm frying my puff puff. It will not watery, it just goes into the oil and comes out very nice without being oily. So I'm using this cling film to wrap my puff puff, and I'm going to let this set, and after 40 minutes I am going to be frying this in my hot oil. So this is after 40 minutes guys, and you can see what it looks like. It has doubled its size, it has proved, and I'm going to be frying this right now into my hot oil. So what you do is dip your hands into some water so the batter won't stick to your hands, and then you gently fold this into your hot oil. So don't forget to turn your puff puff so that both sides gets fried until it's golden brown. And I'm just going to pack this up in my paper towel, and this is the final look. Now Nigerian puff puff, it's not oily, it is very sweet and soft. You can choose to do with milk or without milk. And I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you try this recipe down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.